Well, well, well. Look who's back. That's right, me. Anyway, so got some of the wiring done, as you've seen in my shorts. I will also show it in this video most likely, but we'll see. Right now, there's no dash support. First, I have to test fit the dash, and then I have to do some wiring based on the fitment. But first, I can't just put the dash in like this. There's no support. So I need to put that metal support beam back in. So we'll do that right now. My knife. Yeah. That's some cold metal. I may have lost a bolt in this pile. Anyway. What? I'm going to need a minute.
A few moments later.
Problem removed.
Nice.
Wow, just like that. Put these bolts in. Let's go get ourselves a dash. Oh, yeah. All right. Now that this is in here, I think my next plan would be to kind of get an idea of where these wires would go, or at least the length of them. So I need the steering wheel and stuff right here. So all of these buttons and the radio is wired up. Same with the lights. Well, they're half wired up. The rest I need to wire into the ignition and then out to the back where I can power everything. So I'm going to go to steering wheel and then kind of get wires situated here. I lost my airbag. Steering wheel is in. Oh yeah. Now wires in my eyes. Got wires in my eyes. Ooh. Now with all the wires all measured up, I can take everything off again and then wire it all up. Put it in its correct place, and then test fit again. Let's get to it. Quick release steering wheel. Not so quick because I have to undo the bolts. So. Anyway. Right here, it looks good. What I would do here is I would strip these wires I'd put some heat shrink on here. Take this off, and then get the wire that I need to solder onto. And I would twist them together like this, so they're in line with each other. Just like that. And then I would get some solder on there. I'll slide this heat shrink over, which I don't think it'll fit. If it does not fit, you can always resort to electrical tape. So that's what's going to have to happen here. Make sure it's nice and tight around that connection. And then it'll pretty much look like that. Nice solid connection. And then just gotta do that for everything else. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Oh! This one turned on. Can you put the lights on? The lights come on. And you can adjust brightness. So that's low. That's high. And then radio does not turn on yet. Just a moment. Okay, moment of truth 2.0. Key on. Lights have turned on. Hold button for radio. Wow! Radio turns on. Does anyone know what the code is for this? So, for the end of this video, roll the future video!